In short, no, I don't think Tesla's Robotaxi will have LiDAR, but because of my last video on Luminar Technologies and its stock potentially rallying towards the reveal of the Robotaxi, I wanted to go over my plan for the stock and the trade I made last week. As I said, I don't believe Robotaxis will have LiDAR, but because apparently the majority of retail investors think that they'll have LiDAR, the stock might potentially rally in the next week. In fact, it already started rallying on Friday, although that might have just been because of jobs data. Why do people think the Robotaxi will not only have LiDAR, but LiDAR from Luminar Technologies? Well, because Waymo uses LiDAR and is already way better at self-driving than Tesla. The Robotaxi was apparently spotted with a typical LiDAR bump on the roof, and because Tesla bought about $2 million worth of LiDAR from Luminar Technologies in Q1 2024. Although Musk has repeatedly said that it was just for testing and they don't even need them for that anymore. I do think there is a chance the Robotaxi will have LiDAR, but I think it's a very small chance. Which is why I've decided to cut my position in half on Wednesday if the stock ends up rallying considerably before the event. Naturally, the stock will tank back down if Tesla won't have LiDAR, and I'll be able to buy back in. But if by some small chance Elon goes completely against what he has repeatedly said, I won't miss out on the stock's rally after the event. I wrote this video during the weekend, so I'll let you know in the comments whether I sold some shares and how many I kept for the event. Now let's go over the trade I made last week. I uploaded my last episode on Wednesday, and then on Thursday Luminar Technologies stock dropped straight down to as low as 79 cents. Because the stock price was so low, I got a bit greedy and sold my whole stake in Intel for a total profit of $119.27 and put it all into Luminar Technologies. I was able to buy an additional 6,000 shares, bringing my average buying price down to just 83 cents. I was happy with my decision, but honestly I couldn't sleep that night knowing I had so much money in such a risky play. And throughout the years of investing, I've learned that I shouldn't hold something if it makes me emotional. Luckily, the stock started rallying on Friday and I was quickly in profit. I watched the stock go up towards the end of the day, and as soon as it started dropping, I sold 6,000 shares for a total profit of $136.81. I quickly checked Intel chart and saw that it was dropping back down towards the price I previously closed the Intel position. I instantly put the money from the Luminar trade back into Intel and increased my position from about 217 shares before the trade to about 248 shares after the trade, with an average buying price of $22.37. As for my plan for Intel, I'll probably hold it for a long time until it at least doubles my position. However, there is a chance that I'll sell my whole stake after the earnings at the end of October, but only if those earnings cause the stock to jump up significantly and only if I find a better investing opportunity. I've been looking at a stock that I think is also extremely undervalued and a lot safer than Luminar Technologies, but haven't done enough research to make the final decision. If you want to see which stock I'm talking about, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Having said all that, this is purely for entertainment purposes, and if you want to see more of my content, click on the video just popped up. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.